Here you see the question. In this question, you see this symbol. This symbol is nebula, and this symbol means I cap del by del x plus j cap del by del y plus k cap del by del z, and this sum can be written in summation sign as as I write del x. Now in the question you see two types. Here these two expression are same and these two are same, so we have to work for two. Let us go one by one. In A you see del dot f cross g. This means that in summation form this I cap del by del x dot f cross g. Now this expression can be written as I cap dot del f by del x cross g plus giving plus sign. One can write, or you may write in other way also. You see this expression, and the next term will be I cap dot f cross del g by del x. I have written this using this formula d a cross b by dx equals to a cross db by dx plus dA by dx cross b. Now this can be written as del I cross del f by del x dot g plus here one can write I dot cross del g by del x dot f. This part is written using this formula a dot b cross c equals to a cross b dot c, and this part is written using this formula a dot b cross c equals to minus a cross c dot b. So you understand this, and you know that this thing is nebula cross f dot g, and this part will be here you see minus sign, so here will be one minus sign, so here will be minus, and this will be nebula cross G dot F. So finally we get nebula cross F dot G minus nebula cross G dot F. So among A and B, you see among A and B, you see del cross F, here you see del cross F dot G. In dot product, order does not matter. So del cross F can be written here and G after that. So we see that our first option is correct. Since A is correct, so same thing cannot be written one time with plus and second time with minus. So B is wrong. Now we go for the second thing. You see that second thing is you see here del in C and D, del dot GF equals to. So let us find. You saw that this del nebula means I del by del x dot GF. Now this again can be written as sigma I cap del G by del x dot F plus sigma, here G is a scalar, so this can be taken out, G this time, and this can be written I cap del by del x F. Actually this part is written using this formula, dyz by dx equals to y dz by dx plus z dy by dx. And in doing so you have to also keep in mind the properties of vectors, and hence this can be written, this thing you see, this thing is del G dot F, nebula G dot F, plus this is G, here here there will be dot, and this will be, this you see nebula G dot F, and this will be G nebula dot F. So if you see the option, you see this expression delta G dot F here and G nebula dot F here. So D is correct. So since D is correct, so C cannot be correct because only difference is plus and here you see minus. So correct options are A and D. And you see that this video is going to be over 9 minutes. So actually these two are formulas, and you should remember formulas related to these vectors. If you remember formulas, then you are going to mark the correct options in 3 seconds.